Hello everyone, welcome to Sulbhi Art. Today's my video is on sketching. If you want to learn sketching perfectly, these are the steps you should follow. Very firstly, take a paper and you have to draw lines. Firstly, you have to draw single sleeping lines without the help of scale from left to right and right to left. As shown in the video, you have to follow same step. Fill up the papers with these lines. Next, you have to draw standing line from up to down and from down to up, and again without using any scale. Your lines should be straight. Next step is you have to draw diagonal lines, again without the help of scale. If you will practice it every day, your lines will be straight without using any kind of straight object or scale. The last step is circle. Try to draw circle without any compass or any circular thing. Just draw circles and repeat and repeat and repeat, as you can see in the video. Just practice and practice. You only need practice, and one day you will definitely get straight lines and perfect circle without any instruments help. Now I'm going to take up my book on which I am doing my sketching. So today is day 7 of sketching and I am going to play with lines today. As I have told you the importance of line, so what we have to do today is I am going to make a design through lines. Lines are very important. Through lines you can create lots and lots of designs. So here I have drawn a flower, and these two are the lines only. They are curved. Whether straight or curved, the lines are the most important part of any kind of design. The designers design beautiful designs with the help of lines only. After doing all with marker, I am erasing the pencil part from the paper, and now you can see what I am going to do. I am going to play up with lines. You can do anything with lines. I am taking a pen and I am going to fill up the circle portion with small little circles, because as in a flower, if we see the center part of the flower is like it have lots and lots, many of the circles, small circles, and rest of the flower I am going to fill up with lines, simple lines, only lines, and you will see how beautiful it will look at the end. Stay tuned to my video till end and you will get to know what a beautiful design is going to come out today. So through lines we are going to get a very beautiful design. You can even get a beautiful design only through drawing lines. This is how I am going to create a beautiful design. Through lines I am going to fill full flowers petal with these lines, and also I am going to do something on the back of the flower with lines and circles only. So stay tuned to my video till the end so you can get a beautiful design out of it. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all my videos whenever I get uploaded. Hit the like button if you like my video and do share it with your friends and family. Watch out the full video till the end so that you can get the final design.